Oracle NetSuite is the biggest cloud technology company in the world, with a presence over 175 countries and used by thousands of organizations worldwide. NetSuite's customer relationship management software is the only cloud solution that delivers a real-time 360-degree view of your customers. NetSuite CRM provides a seamless flow of information across the entire customer lifecycle, from lead all the way through opportunity, sales order, fulfillment, renewal, upsell, cross-sell, and support. Additional to the traditional CRM features such as SFA, customer service management, and marketing automation, NetSuite CRM delivers quotes, order management, commissions, sales forecasting, and integrated e-commerce capabilities. Redefine your career by learning NetSuite 10 and untap the plethora of career opportunities globally.